वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स इन मैथ्स क्लास। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.4 डिफरेंशिएशन एक्सरसाइज 1.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से शुरू करने वाले। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड इन प्रीवियस वीडियो, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगा। सो लेट अस सी एक्सरसाइज 1.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। सी द थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन। Here differentiate one function with respect to another function. That means differentiation of this function with respect to this function. So how we solve this? We choose first function, this function as u and the another function as v. That means we differentiate u with respect to v. So let us take the first function as u. U is equal to tan inverse of x upon root of 1 minus x square, and v is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Now here we make substitution. First of all, sec inverse of 1 upon this, we'll write cos inverse and reciprocal of this. So which is cos inverse of reciprocal of this 2x square minus 1, v is equal to, so clearly it is 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is cos of 2 theta. तो substitution क्या होगा? We put x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta will be substitution. Here also root of 1 minus x square, so either we substitute x is equal to cos theta or sin theta. So let us put common substitution. X is equal to cos theta. So if we put x is equal to cos theta, therefore theta must be cos inverse of x, so that our u will be equals to tan inverse of x. X is cos theta upon root of 1 minus cos square theta, which is tan inverse of cos theta upon root of 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, so root of sin square theta is sin theta, and cos upon sin is cot theta, so u will be equals to tan inverse of cot theta. But here tan and cot, so cot we can use here allied angle, so pi by 2 minus theta will be tan theta. Therefore our u will be equals to tan inverse of cot. Cot of theta is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus theta, so that this tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus theta will be only pi by 2 minus theta. So u is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, but our theta is cos inverse of x, so that it is u is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is cos inverse of x. Derivative of u with respect to v we are interested to find. So du by dx, u is a function of x, so here parameter will become x. Du by dx, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore it will be du by dx is equal to pi by 2 constant, 0 its derivative will be, and cos inverse is minus of root of 1 minus x square, so this will be plus du by dx is equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Then we find dv by dx. So here we make substitution, x is equal to cos theta. So v क्या है अपना? v is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1, 2x square minus 1 एंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है, cos थीटा. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर cos इनवर्स, here x is equal to cos theta, so it will be cos square theta minus 1, and see here 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cos of 2 theta, so v is equal to cos inverse of cos of 2 theta. Then again differentiate with respect to x, so instead of that, see cos inverse of cos of 2 theta is 2 theta, therefore v is equal to 2 times of theta. Theta is cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x, and now differentiate it with respect to x, so that dv by dx is equal to 2 times derivative of cos inverse. So what is derivative of cos inverse? Minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So it is minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. This is du by dx. This is dv by dx. And we find derivative of u with respect to v means du by dv. So therefore required derivative du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx, and which is equal to du by dx is this 1 upon root 1 minus x square, dv by dx is minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square, so that this root of 1 minus x square is getting cancelled, and you will get derivative of this function with respect to this function, that is du by dv is equal to how much left, minus 1 upon 2 is left, minus 1 upon 2. So derivative of u with respect to v, that is du by dv, which is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the required answer. Differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of x. So derivative of this function with respect to this function. So we take cos inverse of this as u and tan inverse of x we take as v. So that derivative of u with respect to v, that means du by dv we find. So derivative u is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Here for this type of expression 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square, here substitution will be x is equal to tan theta. So we put x is equal to tan theta, so that theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Substitution, we make substitution cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta, so it is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is cos of 2 theta, so it will be u is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square, that is cos of 2 theta, and this is equal to 2 theta, or theta is tan inverse of x, theta is tan inverse of x, so substitute here, so u will be equals to 2 times of tan inverse of x, and derivative du by dx is equal to 2 times derivative of tan inverse of x, 1 by 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is du by dx, or v is equal to tan inverse of x, this second function v is tan inverse of x, and directly we will find the derivative dv by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square, so that derivative of u with respect to v, that is du by dv, is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx, du by dx 2 upon 1 plus x square, and dv by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square, so that this 1 upon, see, 1 plus x square is getting cancelled, and we will be getting du by dv is equal to 2. This is the required answer. Du by dv is equal to 2. This is the required answer. Now, fifth question. Differentiate 3 raised to power x with respect to log 3 to the base x. Here log 3 to the base x. So we select this as u and this as v. So that u is equal to 3 raised to power x and v is equal to log 3 base x. This can be expressed as log 3 upon log x. Now log 3 upon log x. So see here u is equal to 3 raised to power x. Its derivative a raised to power x derivative क्या होगा? A raised to power x into log a. So this derivative du by dx will be differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to 3 raised to power x into log of 3. Then log 3 is constant. Here 1 upon log x. How we differentiate v? V is equal to log 3 and into log of x raised to power minus 1. So it is composite function fx raised to power n. So n fx n minus 1 into f dash of x, that will be the derivative. So this we differentiate. Dv by dx is equal to log 3 constant and derivative of this minus 1 into minus 1 n into log of x n minus 1, that is minus 2, into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x. Then rearrange the terms. This can be written as minus log 3. This will go in denominator upon x into log of x square. That is our dv by dx. This is dv by dx. This is du by dx. So we find du by dx upon dv by dx. That is u with respect to v. So derivative u with respect to v, that is du by dv. So du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx, which is du by dx is 3 raised to power x into log 3. Dividing by this means multiplying by its reciprocal. Therefore it is x log x whole square upon, we are dividing by this, dv by dx is in the denominator, that means multiplying by its reciprocal, minus log 3. This log 3 is getting cancelled, and what is left? Minus 3 raised to power x, this minus sign, x into log of x whole square. This will be the derivative. Now look at the next question, sixth question. This is derivative of this. So sixth question, derivative of tan inverse of cos of 1 plus sin x and with respect to sec inverse of x. So that derivative will find taking u as tan inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x. We take u is equal to tan inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x and v is equal to sec inverse of x. V is equal to sec inverse of x. Du by dx we find. So before finding du by dx, see inside the bracket we have cos x upon 1 plus sin x. We know formula cos of x is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. And this we can express 1 plus sin x. See here 1 plus sin x. That is nothing but this one is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. And this is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And this gives sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 square. So this is nothing but sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. 1 plus sin x, and cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So we make this substitution over here. So u will become u is equal to tan inverse of cos x. Cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and 1 plus sin x, that is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, or you write it cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Now this is numerator is a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So u is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Now clearly this cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is getting cancelled, and u will be equals to tan inverse of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now we arrive to the answer. See, if we divide by cos x by 2, we can express it in tan. So we divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, so that our u will become u is equal to tan inverse of dividing by cos x by 2, numerator and denominator. This will become 1 minus sin upon cos, which is tan of x by 2. Here divide by cos x by 2, 1 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, tan x by 2. 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. We have formula 1 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta, and that is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So we use this result 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta over here. So this will be tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta minus x by 2. X by 2, theta is x by 2 over here. Tan inverse of tan is only this pi by 4 minus x by 2. So u is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So this derivative du by dx is equal to derivative of constant 0. Pi by 4 derivative will be 0 and minus 1 by 2 and derivative of x is 1. So du by dx is this minus 1 upon 2. Now it remains to find dv by dx. See, v is equal to sec inverse of x. V is sec inverse of x. So its derivative dv by dx is equal to derivative of sec inverse x, which is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. This is derivative of sec inverse x. Now du by dx is this minus 1 upon 2 and dv by dx is this 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. So required derivative of u with respect to v is equal to du by dv, and that is du by dx upon dv by dx. So du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Du by dx is minus 1 upon 2 and dv by dx is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1, root of x square minus 1. So rearrange the terms so that it will be minus 1 upon 2 and this will be going numerator x square minus 1. So it is the answer. Seventh sub question we will start. Differentiate x raised to power x with respect to x raised to power sin x. So you observe इसमें फंक्शन रेस्ट टू पावर फंक्शन दोनों, x रेस्ट टू पावर x मतलब फंक्शन रेस्ट टू पावर फंक्शन, हियर x रेस्ट टू पावर sin x मतलब फंक्शन रेस्ट टू पावर फंक्शन. सो इन सच केस हमको लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन लेना है. सो हियर u we denote this and v we denote this. So u is equal to x raised to power x. We use logarithmic differentiation. V is equal to x raised to power sin x. Use logarithmic differentiation. Take log of both sides. Log u will be equals to log of x raised to power x, which is x into log of x. So while differentiating, इसको हम प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करना है, that is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन u इंटू डी यू बाई डी एक्स, और राइट हैंड साइड में प्रोडक्ट है तो x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x 1, दिस इज 1 and you take cross multiplication, du by dx is equal to u into, यहाँ पे 1 होगा, ये log of x है, u is substitute, we substitute u is equal to x raised to power x 1 plus log of x, that is our du by dx. Then we require dv by dx, so we find dv by dx, और v is equal to x raised to power sin x. Take log of both sides, log v, log q लेना है हमको, लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन q यूज करना है बिकॉज इट इज फंक्शन रेस्ट टू पावर फंक्शन फॉर्म में. सो टेक लॉग ऑफ दिस x रेस्ट टू पावर sin x, which is sin x into log of x log v. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, ये राइट हैंड साइड में क्या है, प्रोडक्ट. सो u डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v प्लस v डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, और ये 1 अपॉन v dv by dx. राइट हैंड साइड विल बी sin x into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x log x into derivative of sin x, which is cos of x. So that taking cross multiplication will get dv by dx. ये होगा v, ये sin x upon x है, upon x plus cos of x into log of x. Now this v is what? X raised to power sin x, x raised to power sin x into, इसको हम एलसीएम ले सकते हैं. x is the LCM of denominator, which is sin x plus x cos x into log of x. This is what dv by dx. We can rearrange this again. This power will reduce by 1 because x is there in denominator. So dv by dx will be is equal to x raised to power sin x minus 1 into sin x plus x cos x into log of x. This is our dv by dx. But we require derivative of u with respect to v. इसका मतलब du by dv is required. So du by dx upon dv by dx it will be du by dx. Du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx, and which is x raised to power x into x raised to power x into 1 plus log x upon dv by dx. This x raised to power sin x minus 1 sin x plus x cos x into log of x. Further we can simplify it. This will be in numerator. So this power is x and this power is sin x minus 1. So a raised to power m upon a raised to power n, that is a raised to power m minus n, it will give x raised to power x minus of minus will be plus 1 and this minus sin x 1 plus log of x, and denominator is remaining is this only sin x x cos x into log of x. So this will be the answer. Du by dv is equal to, this is du by dv, du by dv is equal to this. Required derivative is this.